Hi friends, we are now discussing question number 4 of paper 1 of physics of JEE Advanced 2022. So this question gives us a situation in which there is a lens and there is an oblique object making an angle of 120 degree with the optical axis of the lens. The image is shown to be making an angle of alpha and we need to find this alpha. So this is a pretty straightforward question. The length of the stick is given to be 2 centimeters, so this length is given to be 2 centimeter. Let's name this point as A and let's name this point as B. We know that if an object is placed on optical axis, then its image is also formed on optical axis. So this must be the image of A, let me call it as A prime, and therefore this must be the image of B, let me call it as B prime. So what is the idea here? We will try to find out the value of V, that is the image location for A. So this distance we'll try to find out, and we can do that by applying the lens formula. And then we'll try to find out the value of VB. That means the image location for B. Okay, so this distance we will have. So once we have these two values, we will be in a position to find out this length. This length is already given to us, and therefore we will be in a position to calculate tan alpha. So conceptually, it's not a very difficult question. It's a straightforward question. Once you have figured out what you need to do, let's do that now. So I will first apply the lens formula for point A. Let's do that. Lens formula for A. Now for point A, the value of U, let me write it as UA. We are going to write it as minus 40 by 3 centimeter. Focal length is given to be 10 centimeter. We'll take it as plus 10 as it's a convex lens. So V will be obtained by UF upon U plus F. That's what we get after rearranging the lens formula. So when we substitute the values here, okay, I will substitute minus 40 by 3 into 10 divided by the sum of these two, which will turn out to be minus 10 by 3. And after solving, we will get plus 40. Okay, so this is what we will get for VA. Now, similarly, we can solve for VB. Now, we will apply length formula for point B. So, we will be writing UB into F upon UB plus F. Okay, now what will be the value of UB for like point B? So, that value, that length will be this particular length. Okay, and this particular length will be how we are going to write it 40 by 3 plus the length of the rod, which is 2 centimeter, into cos of 60 degree. Okay, all this with a negative sign. So after solving this, it comes out to be minus 43 divided by 3. So that gives us the value of UV. And now if we solve for VB, okay, again by a similar approach, we get plus 430 by 13. This is what we get for VB. Now we can directly write tan alpha. How we can write that? The given height, which is 30 root 3 divided by 13, we need to divide it with mod of VA minus VB. Okay, so when we do that, it turns out to be 30 root 3 divided by 13 into 1 upon mod of VA minus VB, which turns out to be 90 by 3. Okay, when you do the math, it comes out to be 90 by 13, and therefore 13 gets cancelled. We end up getting 1 by root 3, which basically means that alpha is 60 degree or 30 degree or pi by 6. Therefore, the value of n will be 6. So 6 will be the answer to this question. I hope you enjoyed the solution, guys. Thank you so much.